My caddy of the day right here. Hey, let me see them beautiful lips. Show them beautiful lips. Ooh, you about to get... Hey!
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. Eastern Star Country Club and Resort. Beautiful ladies looking for the bar. What more could you want? The blue and gold they rocking. Come on, now let's get it poppin'. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac do it major. Big boss player. Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go.
What is your name?
My name is Look Tan ค่ะ Look Tan.
Pan.
Yes.
You know you have a tooth?
Have ตูดมากๆ Big ตูดนะ
Are you single or you married?
No I no married
You single?
Single yes
Ooh.
No have baby นะ
No have baby either?
Yes
And you have a fat tooth? Oh my goodness.
This is Eastern Star Golf Course in Rayong, Thailand. This is caddy number 108. As you already know, she's fit, she's friendly, she's single, she has no children, and she walks the course confidence of a caddy with a fatty.
So you used to be the massage lady? Ah, where were you massage lady? Where?
เกาะสมุย Island
Koh Samui Island.
Yes
Oh, what happened?
I work in hotel 6 years in เกาะสมุย
Wow.
At เกาะสมุย Cross I come back in Rayong
Oh,
32 years
oh, that's what happened. But I thought you said you got an accident. You get an accident?
Motorbike accident inside but very hurt not take off not massage not abuse everything
Oh, can you still get massage? No. Damn, I wanted one. Found out something today. So there's another fat booty caddy. Come to find out that's her sister. That's why y'all both got the matching booties. Y'all sister, y'all the fat booty sisters? And how old are you?
Me 26
You dig?
As the round goes on, I gather as much information from my Patreon members as I can muster. If you like what you're seeing, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more hot content. Meanwhile, Teddy sporting the salmon shirt is taking full advantage of my distraction.
And that's for if y'all like the slim one. That's a little slim picking right there. Little slim picking. She Isan? She Isan? Oh.
In Thailand, different words have different meanings. They call it tut. Tut means arse. Tut yai means big arse. Tut suai means beautiful arse. I need you to write in the comment section, does she have a tut yai, a tut suai, or would you just smack it up, flip it, and rub it down? No, no. Okay, back to golf.
Which way did I go? Oh, yeah. Which way?
ขวาถูกครับ
Quad to cup. Ding ding.
Little bit up
Little bit up now. And down.
No แค่ยี่สวย
Short all day. That was the fun, Ted. What was that, Ted? You gonna tell me? Okay.
Four.
Okay. Yeah. 4 for me. Ooh, nice out. That was nice.
They come in every shape, size, and color here. The final hole, hole 18. What makes the caddies so good is that they help each other find balls. Not just their own, but they look out, they communicate, and they search to find the ball. Teamwork makes the dream work.
I'm addicted, baby, I'm addicted. Addicted, Willie, I'm addicted. I'm addicted. Nasema, I'm addicted. I'm addicted, baby, I'm addicted. Nami ushaniteka janani, hawana liku taste of that honey. Ujana mitwenda sote kizani. Kama a rap na rumba twachani. Nami siwezi toka cause I'm in. Body fine, smooth, tender like margarine. I wanna feel your body, be your daddy, no need to debate. Nataka niwe ndani.
So you don't want baby. Why you don't want babies?
Not now, but I not like now. I have two.
Two for your sister? You take care of, so you don't want no babies, huh?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Fat booty, no baby. Y'all heard it.
February,
No baby.
no baby.
Theme music!
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.
Y'all still serious about coming out here? Well, Zoom to Thailand is hooked up with crazyandfearlesstravel.com. Check out the executive membership. For $200, all you have to do is pay for your transportation, and you can get up to a 7-day hotel stay worth up to 3 G's, depending on where you stay. Not just in Thailand, but other places such as Italy, Mexico, Spain, and Dubai, just to name a few. Once you purchase your membership, you just have to pay your resort fees and taxes, of course, and that's it. If you want to travel throughout the US, Canada, or anywhere else, no matter what's happening in the world, you have up to 18 months to use it. Y'all been asking and we've been listening. Search, compare, and save on flights and hotels just like you would on Expedia and Priceline, except we send you up-to-date info in our newsletter every month. Zoom to Thailand at crazyandfearlesstravel.com, where we offer you peace, love, and safe travels.
Catching flights, name the price, I'm on that boat. We on that boat. You flew her out for the clout, we call that home. We call that home. Wesley Snipes, black, that go be glowing. That go be glowing. Big bad, zoom to Thailand, she be knowing. She be tuning, soon as I get grooming. We ain't jumping, brooming. Focus, baby, zooming. Ain't no way we booming. Off the plane, we knew me. Ain't no one for 2 men. Just come and trust me, you win. She got back, it ain't pancake flat. She all that, plus a flat. She ain't fat. She get cooked, she get clean, she get crack, neck back. She like rap, like a man, mostly black. She get monkey. Zoom tribe, all my melanated homies. Zoom.